Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about mullein garlic oil, a powerful and versatile natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat a wide range of health conditions. Mullein, also known as Verbascum, is a tall, yellow-flowered plant that grows in the wild throughout Europe and North America. It is well known for its medicinal properties and has been used to treat respiratory problems, skin conditions, and even ear infections. Garlic, on the other hand, is a popular kitchen staple that has been used for both culinary and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. It is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help boost the immune system, lower cholesterol, and improve heart health. When combined, these two powerful plants create a potent oil that can be used to treat a variety of health conditions. One of the most common uses of mullein garlic oil is for ear infections. The oil can be warmed and then used as ear drops to help soothe the pain and inflammation associated with ear infections. It can also be used to help remove wax buildup in the ears. Mullein garlic oil can also be used topically to treat skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. It can be applied directly to the skin or added to lotions and creams to help soothe dry and itchy skin. Additionally, mullein garlic oil is also used as a powerful remedy for respiratory issues such as asthma, bronchitis, and chronic coughs. It can be inhaled or ingested to help open up the airways and clear mucus from the lungs. It's important to note that mullein garlic oil should be used with caution if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you are allergic to garlic. It is also recommended that you test a small amount of the oil on a small area of skin before using it more extensively. Overall, mullein garlic oil is a powerful and versatile natural remedy that can be used to treat a wide range of health conditions. If you're interested in trying it out, I will link to a good one in the description below, or you can make it at home using mullein and garlic as the key ingredients. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos on natural remedies and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Garlic mullein oil uses. Garlic mullein oil uses.